Come on up and get it. You want it? Here. That's good. Here, I need a bigger piece. You got any bigger ones?
No, maybe you'll take two.
Maybe. Yeah, they're starting to go for it. Come on, I got them right here.
Just don't drop them out of your hand.
'Cause then they'll go berserk.
No, they're gonna come up and try to grab them out of your hands and then just give them to them. Set them right up in the mirror.
Alright.
Or toss one on top of the truck hood.
Alright. Right up on top of the hood. Come on, get up there. Come on, there's another one right up on the hood.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Ah. Oh. Hey, that one's having a seizure.
Look what we started.
It's freaking choking on something.
Cigarette butt.
Oh God.
I don't know.
That would just be cruel. Hey, what's your name? Holy crap. Too bad we don't have more food. Holy crap, they're calling for more. Want one more? What? Toss the whole bag out there?
No, you just watch this now. You film it though.
Alright, what am I filming?
Well, you don't turn it on yet.
Well, I'm still got it going.
I'm gonna stand in the front. Well, don't have it super long.
No, wait. No, it's okay. You're right, I'll get back inside.
Take it off your hand yet?
I will.
Oh, you will?
Why won't I? What, did you run out of fuel or what happened to it?
No, my starter went out. My starter went out, so I got to pop the clutch. Gives me really good exercise.
Hold on, my boy and I will give you a good quick push.
Okay.
Nick,
What?
come on, let's give her a quick push.
Alright.